Do you think that part of the reason it's a better time is because you can build out the foundation of what you want to build and then get the appropriate funding to then bring it to life and be one of those first true players to market? How does that timeline kind of look to you?
Well, I think yes, we've certainly generated a lot of interest, even among investors, and the reason why I think we haven't gotten more traction than we have is, of course, they want to see something. They want to actually see things, not just be a vision and a patent, but working software. And some of the things that we've done so far, it's not that we haven't done any working software, but some of them I don't think have really captured the essence and captured the imagination of the people we've showed it to, which is why we're working on getting some of these bigger things done, something that's really going to tell the story. Um, but yeah, I think there's a whole number of things that make this a better time than then. One of them is the environment of investors. Back then people were investing in really Web 1, right? That was the thing people were doing back then. We're talking about the dot-com bubble and that kind of time frame. Um, and two, we're in a much more interconnected world. We're in a world where people expect network connectivity everywhere. We aren't dial up and AOL anymore. There's network everywhere you go. Um, Here I am talking to you from the middle of the ocean. So
Pretty cool.
there's net, there's network everywhere. Um, we are at a place where those VCs are now more interested in more complex things because they've seen the simple stuff. They've made their money on the simple stuff. They're ready to make money on more complex things. And that's my opinion. Again, I'm not an expert in investors, but I did sit and listen to Tim Draper tell me that we should come talk to him again when we have a commercial product ready, and then he might invest in us.
Yeah.
Which
You
I
got to
also had
tell
to
us
tell
more now.
Tim Draper.
Yeah, you can't just drop Tim Draper's name
I
and
also
then
had
leave
to
it there,
tell
Phil.
I had to tell Tim Draper he was wrong too. So that was fun.
How did he take that?
Not well, but I think he at the end understood why he was wrong. Uh,